I'm still dying. I don't know. But it turns out that when my... Oh, hello, parting. What are you doing right now? Oh, that just made it even worse. Let's just ignore that my hair is still damp at the moment. I discovered that when my voice is like this, my throat is like this, when I sing I sound like Talon Rain, apparently. I don't know, because I was trying to play one of his songs on the ukulele earlier, and oh look, I have 2 emails. I'm sorry, I'm getting very distracted this vlog. Blog TV, go away. Yes, I was trying to play his song Dear Sister, Your Brother earlier, and I could very vaguely sing it, but I don't really know, my throat was killing me at that point, so I don't know anymore. Oh, my nose is so itchy. I feel like I'm dying, but I'm not, because that would be very, what's the word I'm looking for? Not inappropriate. Inconvenient, that's the word. Because I'm halfway through mock week. Yes! Only 4 more exams to go. Today I had English and French, but my French was actually a real exam, so... Oh well, they did during mock week, because why not? It made me less stressed, I think. But tomorrow I have RS and food tech. And my food tech is going to be like answering questions about definitions of things and designing a product and like flow production stuff. I don't know, that's what I've been told from year 11s that have done it. But yeah, and then on Friday I think I have maths and business studies. Yeah. Oh, can you hear that I sound ill? Because I think you can. I'm dying. Yeah, I kickboxing today, and I was actually alright at kickboxing. But when we were walking into school this morning, you could just hear my throat just getting croakier and croakier. So thank God we had to sit in silence for most of the day in the exam hall. But yeah, I think I need to revise for RS. Where's my RS books? Here you are. Here you are, RS books. And yes, hair. I need to dry my hair as well. Just thought I'd vlog quickly because my brother's asleep, I think. He went to bed really early today. So yes, I hope that you all had a good Wednesday. I find that I always do that with the day of the week. I always forget what day of the week it is. I hope you all had a good Wednesday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.